What is up, Theta homies? It is your boy Justin Pacetti back again with another Theta token video, another Theta token update. Just a friendly reminder, if you're new to the channel, trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, definitely please hit that like and subscribe button. Check out all the links down below in the description for all the links I post in this video, and along with my Imagine Replay referral link if you are trying to earn as much TNT20 token, especially on the Theta blockchain, as well as my Theta Guardian if you're trying to stake your Theta tokens, earn as much TFUEL in addition to my Elite Edge node. If you're trying to stake your TFUEL, earn as much TFUEL, help out my channel, help out the Theta network, as well as helping yourselves out overall to earn as much TFUEL to utilize for Theta Drop, Open Theta, or any other kind of transaction, especially on the Theta metachain. So continuing on to the Explorer page, we'll start there and go on to the news, seeing that the current price of Theta in the making of this video is $2.28, TFUEL at 7 cents, almost at 8 cents, and T-Drop at 0.0041. So we'll definitely see where the price will go near the end of March of 2024. What do you guys think where the price will go near the end of this month? So just another reminder that some of these videos are pre-recorded ahead of time so that it works out with my schedule. So sometimes the prices when these videos are released, you don't necessarily see that it matches entirely. So that's the reason why, just to balance out my life schedule. So just a reminder there, I don't do this full time for YouTube. I do have a full-time job. So that's why you'll see some of these prices differ just a tad, but just a reminder there. FatML has added an exciting new Gen AI models, including 2 tiny language models, great performance, Gamma 2B by Google and Phi 2 by Microsoft. We have users already deploying them at the low-end GPU devices, NVIDIA Orin using FedML Nexus AI, and it's just nice seeing that these announcements are affiliated with this organization because this FedML is a part of Theta Network in terms of AI, so that's just some things that a lot of people I'm sure are going to be happy about, and once they hear this news, I'm sure they were probably more confident with the Theta network in building their type of platform. A large language model tailored for healthcare, Metatron 70B, by researchers from EPFL, a fun image synthesizer. You can now use these models on FedML AI platforms to access via APIs, create dedicated deployment on the FedML cloud, your desired public-private on-premise service on edge devices for tiny large language models with autoscale and observability support. Create powerful AI agents with them in seconds with built-in RAG and API integration support. Fine-tune them on your own data. Scrolling down just a little bit more, just to show you guys the images for this type of development. So I believe Gamma was a big announcement with Google. I personally haven't seen too much, or I haven't personally dove into it as much, but that's as much as I know in terms of this video, the text updates when it comes to technology. But it's nice seeing that these type of organizations like Google and Microsoft are continuing to build with partners of the Theta network. Continuing on the Mitchell, we're going to even see here as well Levita. Wow, Levita with over 1 million AI training jobs processed on the Theta Edge network each month, making it one of the largest decentralized medical AI use cases in the world, powered by Theta Network Edge Network and Edge Cloud, a new era of AI computing. Using Theta Network's cutting-edge AI computing technology, Levita is building a new era of privacy-preserving AI-powered healthcare data platform powered by the Theta Edge Cloud. Learn more at levita.ai. And just looking at this video, it is a pretty long introduction, so if you want to watch this right there, it is there for you as well, just incorporating the amount of nodes that are associated with Theta Network and then the jobs that can be processed for this platform for Levita itself to help earn rewards for those utilizing this type of technology and the whole healthcare AI system to gain as much information to build on that platform, and then overall help out other future patients who may have similar conditions based on maybe certain traits like race, background, things like that, living conditions, so they can help out find a better healthy living solution for those who have this type of certain conditions. But overall, it's kind of nice seeing that MyChart is also affiliated because they have about 250 million individuals who use MyChart for these type of electronic health records. But it's just nice seeing overall, like I just said, the partners that are building on Theta Network continuing to build on their platform, which also means building on Theta Network, as you can see with all these other partnerships that are continuing to build right now. But that's just some of the things that I've noticed and just really happy about, but I can't unfortunately go into too much detail because I don't know the exact specifics, but just the overall umbrella of the information that's being presented. You even see the Google Cloud image that was there before. Continuing on with some of the other news as well. Theta. This is more information about the Theta Edge Cloud and the mission to provide developers, researchers, and enterprise unlimited GPU processing power for any AI or video task at the most optimal cost. by Theta Network. And just reading some of the highlighted parts, with the Edge Cloud's first release in the spring, AI developers can easily select and deploy popular models such as Stable Diffusion, Llama 2, and other out-of-the-box models with just a few clicks and their AI-powered apps on the top, including today's chatbots, generative AI, and any new models in the future. Going on to number 3, or the third paragraph. Going into the second half of 2024, advanced AI developers can manage their entire AI pipeline development, hyperparameter tuning, neural architecture search, and model fine-tuning. Theta Edge Cloud network of GPUs optimized, immediately accessible, and scalable. So here's just another more image of the continuous updates for this project. So seeing the Edge Cloud and when it's being released, just more of the information on that. Just scrolling through some of the images, so then people, if you want to take a quick pause on some of these images for yourself, you are more than welcome to. But like I said, all the links are down below in the description, in addition to all my Theta Edge Guardian node and my Elite Edge node if you're trying to stake your Theta tokens in a reliable area. Continuing on here as well, going on to the next part, seeing that I'm no patent attorney, but it does sound like Theta has cornered the market of peer-to-peer distributed compute networks incentivized by verified on a blockchain. What's the meaning for some of these other DPIN projects? Just to reiterate the importance of these pins to be utilized. So as long as the technology is being utilized on Theta Network has these pins for the security reasons, so that it can be the only development. So whoever wants to use this type of technology has to be partnered with Theta Network in some sort of way. So that's the best of my knowledge when it comes to these type of patents and law. So that at least makes me more confident in the project of Theta Network because of the protected patents that's been secured by their team. This individual, I know it does work with Theta Network in some sort of way, some of their team, but says he met with 2 Coinbase employees over the last few days. All I can say is these guys are top tier at what they do. It's his opinion that the base L2 that they're building will be huge. This was posted on February 26th of 2024. I don't really know exactly what kind of role Austin plays in the Theta Network, and I have seen him in person. I met him very briefly, and I know he's been affiliated with some sort of projects, but I don't know exactly as to which ones. But it's just something to notice, especially when you have this type of information coming on my timeline or on my feed. Continuing on here, we're going to see Bitfinex. Keep an eye out for Theta. Theta Network is a blockchain for video, AI, and entertainment. Prices for Theta are more than 43% this week. Come check out the charts on Bitfinex. So this was posted on March 2nd of 2024. Hovering over their account, seeing that Bitfinex is the world's leading digital asset trading platform with basically 936,000 followers on X. So just some fun things I'd like to post, that Theta News is getting more traction. So is my channel based on the numbers that I'm seeing. So it seems like Theta Network is going in the right direction, that who've ever been a part of Theta Network for more than a year, you're probably going to be really excited with what's going to be happening. I don't really know. No one knows where the market will go. As long as these partnerships are being formed, more companies are using the technology. I'm just like everyone else who's watching these news being released. I'm just hoping for the best. I'm basically another investor just like you guys. And then last but not least, we're going to see here that signed, sealed, and delivered by Theta Girl. Looks like they posted. Next up at the PDX airport, the one, the only, like Booty Brown OG, if you're planning a trip to, I believe this is Portland, stop in to see the Theta drop exclusive from April 1st to June 30th of 2024. So it says Portland, premiere featuring Booty Brown April 1st. Hovering over this individual, looks like, I believe it has to be some sort of music. Let me see here. I believe so. Right here it's music. So it looks like it's going to be some sort of concert is what our Theta drop wants to be more inclusive of, and that's the whole point of these NFTs. You got to start somewhere. So it looks like this individual will be testing this type of Theta drop when it comes to music. I remember we had the earlier Theta jukebox, but when I go on that website, it looks like that website is not in use anymore. So that is much information as I know about that. I don't remember who the artist was. I forgot her name. Can't remember on the top of my head as of right now, but I do remember the Theta jukebox. But as of right now, that website is not going from when I bookmarked it. But overall, that's all the information I have for you guys in this video. Thank you so much. If you're an OG viewer and subscriber and coming back to the channel, would not be here without you. If you're a new viewer trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, definitely please hit that like and subscribe button. Check out all the links down below in the description for all the links I post in this video, along with my Imagine Replay referral link if you're trying to earn as much TNT20 token, especially on the Theta blockchain, as well as staking your Theta tokens to my Guardian node. earn as much TFUEL, and then also staking your TFUEL to my Elite Edge node if you're trying to earn as much more TFUEL, help out my channel, help out the Theta network, as overall help out yourselves out, earn as much TFUEL, utilize for Theta drop, open Theta, or any other transactions that you can think of in terms of trading. But like I said, all those links are down below in the description. If you want the QR codes, it's right there for you guys too, whichever is easier for you guys. But either way, thank you guys so much again for coming back to the channel. Looking forward to making more videos, especially with Theta news. It looks like it's ramping up for 2024. But until the next Theta video, the next Theta update, it is your boy Justin Massetti. So try to keep up. Hi, deuces.